Hello, Mukti sir. Welcome to Dia Masterpieces.
Thank
How
you,
are you
ma'am.
doing today?
Doing great. Very good.
Thank you so much. So, can you walk us through your career journey, sir?
Fair point. If it helps anyone, sure. I did my graduation in mechanical engineering, and after that, I joined a company which was into refinery section, naming ABB. I worked with them for almost close to 3 years, wherein it was more like a designing based area where we used to do all the basic engineering packages to refineries like IOCL, IPCL, so on and so forth. Then after that, I joined an automobile sector, which is Maruti Suzuki India Limited. I
Okay.
worked there for almost 12 years, close to 12 years. It was more into projects, procurement, that side. And since being from the mechanical background, so a little inclination towards the designing part as well. Then had thought about that instead of working for MNCs, it's better that we start our own business. So that's why I started thinking about going into e-commerce sector and understanding how a business is actually ruled or how actually you think about the business for the next 1 year,
Okay.
2 years, and so on and so forth. So I joined a company which is called Swiggy. I'm
Mhm.
sure most of those who are looking at this video might be aware that Swiggy is into food-based e-commerce sector, wherein it's a delivery based and cloud kitchen based sector.
Mhm.
I worked with them for almost close to 1 year. Since this sector is a little dynamic, so perhaps I was also dynamic in switching jobs. Then I came into an organization which is into IoT, which is Internet of Things. So I'm still with them, and I believe this is how I can get a little closer to the business as to how it can be managed. And I'll be honest that the present scenario is you need to be self-sufficient, not only yourself but the nation itself. So you should be looking at certain things that how best you can utilize your talent for the nation.
Right.
So perhaps in that way, I'm just looking towards getting into business. There are many things that we can give to the nation. So this is a short brief of the career that I had, if that helps.
Thank you so much, sir. That cause actually helps a lot of people choosing to be a mentor. Well,
You
okay.
were,
So, yeah.
yeah, the same cause and
Yeah.
yeah.
Being a mentor is also a great cause for helping a nation. So, at what point in life you decided to become a mentor?
See, I'll be honest. I had been staying in Delhi, so predominantly it has lost its charm. Honestly, just because the rat race that we have been running, the pollution that we have made it, the state doesn't have its own charm, which it used to have somewhere in late 90s or early 2000. So that was the point when I started recollecting that how good the coal was. So essentially, what I wish to state is like not only Delhi but many parts of India, many states of India, every corner of India is actually facing this problem. The essentially the problem itself is that we are just running for money. We are
Right.
not actually looking for certain things which are basic for us.
Mhm.
There are many things, not only job or an MNC where you should work, but thankfully that what we have learned from MNCs, it is now the time that we should actually implement things for the upcoming generation and the future generation. So there are two sectors where we can help them out. One is not being dependent on other or the developed world or the Western worlds
Mhm.
to have a source of income for your family. One, there is always a gap between what is being taught in any college, any graduation, or even even to the fact that whatever we have learned in school, it is not that it is of no use, but it is not being used where we actually work. So
Mhm.
there is a gap between an organization and the schooling and the colleges that we have passed through. So these were two areas which I felt that as of now, whatever we have learned from the MNCs, from the third, I'll say the Western worlds, whatever best we have learned, it's time that we repay in terms of the for the generation that is coming up and to the nation as well. So there are two things where I wish to give my best. One is agriculture sector, the other one is education, the upcoming upbringing of the future generation, which will actually help them focus much better and thereby delivering the best to keep themselves happy, and they'll also get a feeling that yes, we are giving certain things to the nation. It's not necessary that you have to be in army, so perhaps doing a good education will also help the nation to grow. So perhaps it's not a mature brain, but anyways, whatever has been learned, it starts. If I start sharing it,
Mhm.
I'll also learn many things from the upcoming generation, and
Right.
it will be a win-win situation for both. So that was
Right.
that.
That is very thoughtful, sir, actually. So, sir, can you share us a memorable moment with Diya that you had? Like maybe the training part, or maybe when
Absolutely,
you're,
I have
yeah.
many. I have many, but specifically, I'll say that since you have quoted it, training.
Mhm.
For those who are watching this video, I'll straight away say this to you, and of course to you, ma'am, as well. Always remember what I feel is any person, I'm sure many people will connect if I say, have you seen any movie where there is a split personality? So, on that ground, what I'll say is, you have a portion which is not known to you.
Mhm.
So, essentially, there should be a third person who can come to you and say, boss, this is what you are. So once you look at it, the first reaction, I'm sure 95% of the people will say, "ये मैं नहीं हूँ, मैंने ये हो ही
Mhm.
नहीं सकता मैं." So one, there is an ego that stops you to understand that what you are looking is what you are.
Right.
So the training helped me to understand that it is not only that an individual, it is also imperative thing that you should actually look at others for the positive things. So
Mhm.
essentially, in the training, the mentor whom we got connected to, he was so well. I mean, he's a gem of a person. If anyone who gets in contact with him, I'll say that that was the point of time when you start learning that how to look at others in a very positive manner.
Mhm.
Negatives and being the critic anyone can be. Throughout
Mhm.
the life, you'll see many critiques. They'll just
Right.
tell you that this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. But even if you have certain things which are wrong in you, the mentor whom I got connected to, he showed me that this is a negative thing, but he showed me it as a positive thing. He made me wonder that it has to be an individual thought process which actually make you become a mentor until
Mhm.
unless you're able to turn that negative to a positive and show it ठीक है ये सभी में होता है बॉस ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तुम्हारे साथ इट
Right.
इज ओनली दैट यू नीड टू स्विच इट फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस वो
Right.
एक बार दिमाग में क्लिक हो गया you will do wonders. So that was the moment which I'll definitely treasure as of now since I'm new into this. So that's why I'll say the training was the best part. And
Mhm.
kudos to the DA team that how they have tabulated the complete training process. Kudos to everyone. Absolutely.
Thank you so much, sir. So, I just wanted to ask you this last question. In our world of education, we see so many parents, they are like forcing their kids to do commerce and science or art, particularly, not thinking about what they want. So, do you want to convey any message to those parents or any parents?
Absolutely. The first thing कोई भी अगर पेरेंट ये देख रहा हो भाई तू तेरे बच्चे हैं यही सोचेगा yes
Right.
I'm a father of two kids I'll say that whomsoever is watching this video naturally I'm not aware how big is your kid so I'll not say that I'll be able to connect with you in terms of the experience you have no I'm not that experienced that I can give a lecture or a teaching in terms of this is better or that is good but to be honest, on a very plain note, what I'll say is that just look at the past, what we had been through, what I'll say to start with. I'm sure your parent didn't force you to do that, but since at that point of time, we had very limited channels or limited resources available. And
Mhm.
not only resources, but if you look at the jobs at that point of time, they were also very limited.
Right.
So at that point of time, the parents were a little protective. I'll use
Mhm.
that as a positive word. They just wanted us to be in a proper manner because we know that there is a life cycle. They have certain time period till what
Mhm.
they'll be able to live. So they just wanted to ensure that you stay alive and in the same pattern or in the same way, the same economic style that they were, you have to be, or a little better, they'll be even more happier. So with that protective this thing, they used to force us.
Yeah.
Now, for the present scenario, what I'll say is, I'll say that let us take the example of hotel management as a career, or even as a matter of fact, maybe radio jockey is also a very good career as of. So the point is, there are n number of careers available in front of us. I won't say as a good parent because every parent definitely is a very good parent. It is just that we are trying to be a little overprotective the way we were groomed. So what I'll convey is, the first thing is, we don't need to be that overprotective, because the channels and the carriers that are available as of now
Mm-hmm.
are way beyond our thinking.
Right.
So once we think, or once we see a career as an alternative or
Mm-hmm.
as a path for our kids, you'll be surprised to know that even this is a career and is a futuristic one. So getting to the bottom line, I'll say that I think we need to get close to our kids in terms of age. We should forget that whatever age is ours, let us be of their age. Let us understand them, that what is their likes and dislikes.
Mm-hmm.
Based on that, it is not that we'll give them a very good path, but what I'll say is that at least first we'll get connected to them, and then based on that we'll start getting certain understanding as to what the generation as of now wants,
Right.
thereby helping ourselves. I won't say that will help our kids, but
Mm-hmm.
helping ourselves to understand the present scenario, thereby looking at the probable channels or probable modes or carriers where we
Mm-hmm.
can fit in. So it's an education for us as well. So let us not force them. Money, sir, paisa kahin se bhi aayega. Honestly, if the person is capable, he'll definitely earn in anything.
Mm-hmm.
So we only need to understand what is he or she is capable of. Once we understand that, he'll just fly, he'll just take off, and you'll just wonder that, is this the same kid whom I was with maybe 4 years back or 5 years back?
Right.
So let wonders happen by themselves. Let us see if we can get connected to them and thereby educate ourselves and thereby giving a good path to them.
Right. Such a beautiful answer, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your experience and sharing your knowledge with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I hope it helps anyone. I'll be happier than that.
Yes, yes, sir.